guys, what's up? It's your girl So Vans here. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell, you know the drill. And today we are going to be making the easiest beginner friendly bag ever. It is fast, it is cute, it is easy. Under 45 minutes you're going to get this bag done, and I am going to recommend this so hard for beginners. If you're just starting with beads, this should be the project you should start with. So I originally did this bag before, so this is me just unraveling everything. It was too soft and I hated it, so I have an ASMR video on how I unraveled it. So I use a 0.60 yarn. Don't use a 0.60, use a 0.7 or a 0.8. Trust me, I'm going to show you why. So but this is like 3 o'clock that I was doing this tutorial, and this is all what I had, so I just decided to use the twine, and it was stressful. Anyway, you know how we start with our beads. Dear beginners, just watch the video. You pick 3 beads first, cross with the 4th, then you're going to pick beads on each side of your twine, and you're going to put 1 bead on the left, 1 bead on the right, cross with the 4th. I know the video is a little bit fast, but I'm telling you, this is so easy to do. You could just go ahead and slow down the video, and I don't even really need to over explain what I am doing here because it is very easy if you watch it. The total of this bag is, it is a 3x3 bag. So it's a square, a boxy looking sort of bag. So we are going to start with the base, obviously, and it is a 3x3 base bag. So I am just working our beads as normally as I can. Guys, seriously, if you're a beginner, this is easy for you. I know the video is fast, but this is so easy. The beads are big, you finish them so fast. Under 45 minutes you are going to finish this bag. Okay, so you can just go ahead and slow down the video so that you can watch it very nice, very clearly, everything that I am doing. So okay, this is where I started having problems. Okay, you guys know how I always emphasize on pulling your thread so tight so that your work is going to be firm. By the way, the base was 21 beads, in case you wanted to know. So this is where I messed up. I pulled it so hard it got cut. Like that 0.60 was too thin, so try using a 0.7 or a 0.8 twine. Now we are just going to continue working. We're going to take our twine on our right, insert 3 beads, and we are going to cross with the 3rd bead. Sorry, I'm going to grab my trusty torch, which I use to support all my work. Yeah, you need something to stabilize your work. I'm using this so that people can see exactly what I am doing. So you're just going to insert your twine into the next bead. You're going to take your twine on your left, and you are going to just pick 2 beads and cross with the 2nd bead. And this is basically everything that you're going to do for this bag. This is the pattern of the bag. This is all you need to do for this bag. It's so simple, so easy. You're going to get it done. Say you have a wedding to attend and you don't have a bag, just go buy these beads. This I use less than a pack of these beads, and I think I use a total of 107 of these beads, and it is not even up to 1 pack. So you can do this, hang it for your wedding, hang it for church, wherever you're going to. This bag is small, tiny, perfect. It's beautiful, it is cute, it looks luxurious. You can make it with any beads color that you want. It is very simple, guys. So what I was doing while I was making the bag, because of my very thin twine, is when I go to a certain distance, like I make 4 beads, I'm going to go ahead and tie it to secure the ones at the back. Then I am going to continue doing my beading normally. This is the fastest bag you guys can ever make, the cutest bag you can ever do. I can't emphasize this enough. Guys, make sure you also check out my other videos on my channel. Make sure if you want to purchase anything beads, I do crochet as well. Make sure you check me out on my Instagram. I'm going to leave the link in the description box, so you find yourself in my page. So guys, we're just going to continue working our back normally, and when you get to the end like so, you're just going to go into one bead, and you're going to pick up one bead, then you're going to cross, and we have officially finished the first row, and I am tying it again. So this first row was a total of 24 beads. So go ahead and do the math for me. We're going to have 3 of these rows, so 24 times 3 plus our 21 at the base, and plus the beads we are going to use at the handle, which was 8. So go ahead and do that math for me and tell me your answer in the description box. Write your answer there in the description box so that I can know that you watched this video, understood it, and tell me if you're going to do this tutorial. And if you do it, make sure you tag me on my Instagram as well. I'm going to repost your work as well. So I'm just going to continue beading normally like I have always done. So I'm just going to let you watch the video till I get to a part where I really need to explain stuff. So don't forward the video, don't skip some parts. I can randomly just pop in and give you guys some hints. Okay? So we're already working on a third row here, and it is basically the same thing. It is a 1 row repeat back, and this is our last row as well. So it's just going to continue working till I get to the part that I'm going to explain something else again, which I might say is kind of critical. So this is the end of our work, so I'm just picking up one bead to complete it. So I'm passing the twine on the inside, then I am going to tie it in order to secure the entire bag. Now I can't stress enough, beginners, you need to learn how to pull your twine so that your bag will look soft like the one that I had in the beginning. If you want to see how soft that bag was, I'm going to link the video of me taking it down. It's an ASMR video in case you're interested. I'm going to link it up in the cards if you want to see it as well. And yeah, that is our box. We are already done. It is looking nice and beautiful. I'm just going to go ahead and tuck in all my thread in random directions. So this is our complete cute box. You can also use this as storage for whatever you want to store. You can go ahead and increase the base if you want. You can increase the height of the bag. It is completely customizable. And now we are going to go ahead and put the handles. The first handle we are going to be putting here is this silver handle. This thing was a pain to remove. Okay, my pliers couldn't go through the rings of this thing. It was so hard, but I ended up removing it. Then I left just one of those bigger jump rings on there. Then I got a smaller jump ring and I attached it to the bigger jump ring. Then I tried to put it in the spaces at those two corners of the bag. So that was basically it. That is the amount of beads I still had left, guys. And this is how the bags look like with the the silver handle. Nice, cute, easy. I'm saying if you're going to church, you pick this up. If you're going out, you just want to hang something, you could attach a longer rope or a chain to this bag. It's going to be cute. If you are going to a wedding, this is your go-to baby. So for a second handle, we're going to make this with smaller beads and the big beads as well. So you're just going to send your twine into one of the 3 beads at the top. That's the middle bead. You're going to pick up 5 small beads like this on each side of your twine. Then you're just going to join your twine together. Pick up, I believe I picked up 8 beads, or 8 of them. Then you're just going to attach it on the other side by first picking up your 5 beads on each side of your twine. Then you're just going to cross it at that middle bead right there, and that is your second handle, which is way cheaper than buying the silver one. It is still nice, it is still cute. Guys, make this bag and show me your pictures. DM me on Instagram to show me your work. I would really appreciate to see what you guys did, and also tell me what you think about this bag in the comment section. I'd like to hear your thoughts. If there's any other bag you guys want me to try out, send me a pic on Instagram. And this is how the other bags, this is how the bags with the beads handle look like. Still cute. The other fur you could customize it any way you want. I'm going to do a separate video showing you a video of every way that I customize these bags, but this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell, join the family. Make sure you watch this video at the end, and I'll see you guys in my next video.